Hello, in this video I will show you how to calculate the average in Microsoft Excel. So for example, we have A1 is 10, A2 is 20, A3 is 30, and A4 is 40. So we want to calculate the average of these four numbers. You have two options. The first option is to move your mouse to the cell you want to put the average number here, and then you go to select auto sum and select average. Then it will give you the option. It will automatically calculate the average from A4, B4, C4, D4, E4, and F4. So because we want to calculate A1 to A4, so we move your mouse to A1 and drag, hold and drag. Okay? Then we click on top. It will calculate 25, give you the result 25. And another way is you can type in directly from here equal average. Okay, select the second one. And then you type A1 column A4, close the bracket. Okay, so that's the same thing, 24. And if you want to only calculate A1 and A3, the average of A1 and A3, okay, so average only A1 and A3. How to do that? Same thing, you can use in equal sign, average, select. So there's a number and you split by the column. Okay, so that means A1 comma A3 close the bracket. Okay, so that's the number A1 and A3. Okay, the format is this, like this. If you want to add more, for example, you want to add A4, then that's the answer here. Okay, so that's how you calculate the average. Hope you enjoy this video. Bye-bye.